LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards. Notice, the keyboard installation procedure is different for every laptop model. At LaptopKeyboard.com, we have created a searchable database of keyboard installation guides. Our database will allow you to find the exact installation guide for your laptop keyboard. Simply go to LaptopKeyboard.com. Click on the Installation Guides link. Select your laptop brand, series, and model, and you'll be taken to the custom video guide for your laptop. That's all. You're now ready to install your laptop keyboard. Remove the battery from the back of the laptop. Use a thin object to remove the cover above your keyboard. We will now disconnect the keyboard cable from the motherboard. This is what the keyboard looks like. We will now install your new replacement keyboard. Snap the plastic cover back in place. Your keyboard is now back in place and aligned perfectly. LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards.